you'll be able to use your phone exactly how you use it above ground, below ground. Yeah, so we're in a portion of the station that's no longer open to the public, as you can see, but we're close enough to the running tunnel where we found a spot to put our kit in and then run the coaxial cable into it. So this tunnel liner, we bolted our kit right onto it. We're having to do something like this roughly every 550 to 600 meters throughout the underground. So 4G has been at the London Underground since 2020 on the Jubilee line. It became a permanent service earlier this year, in spring of this year, and we're going to start to see increasingly additional stations and tunnels come live towards the end of this year, and then consecutively throughout next year and the following.
We're delivering a mobile phone experience where you can be connected as you walk into a station, walk through the station, take a tube, change tubes, and then walk out of the station into the street, and your call will be connected at all times. It won't drop the call, and if you're using data, that will be seen